Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with Aswad,
Yeah.
better known as Usman Mukhtar.
Yeah.
एंड उस्मान से जब मैं मिल रही हूँ तो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा फिक्र ये हो रही है कि सब उस्मान से इस वक्त बहुत बात करें. ही इज़ बीइंग इंटरव्यूड अ लॉट. हाउ डू आई आस्क हिम क्वेश्चंस दैट ही hasn't been asked?
Well, I mean, I can
I
tell
hope you don't fall asleep when I keep asking you the same kind of questions.
No, not at all, not at all.
एक और बात आपको देख के मुझे लग रहा है, मेरा दिल चाह रहा है मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप महरीन के साथ ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
So many people have said that to me. So many people have actually messaged saying Mehreen ke saath.
You get private DMs saying that?
Yeah. A lot of even comments under the pictures. असवद तुम मेहरीन के साथ गलत कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा अंजाम ठीक नहीं होगा and all of that. So people are taking the drama very seriously.
Did you expect that?
No, honestly no.
Really?
No, I didn't. I was hoping कि people like the drama, but I didn't know कि इतना seriously, इतना invested लोग होंगे.
हाँ है वाकई.
Yeah.
It's that kind of drama actually, Usman. It kind of gets inside your head.
Yeah.
तो it gets inside my head. जब मैं हम कहाँ के सच्चे देखती हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ी टेंशन होती है, सैडनेस होती है, बहुत गुस्सा आता है. क्या सेट पे भी इतना ही स्ट्रेसफुल माहौल होता है when you shooting?
Actually नहीं, सेट पे इतना स्ट्रेसफुल नहीं होता. सेट पे when there are a few difficult emotional scenes तो थोड़ा सा खामोशी होती है. But otherwise, I mean, when Dada's around, you don't really feel stressed at all. He's such a you know, jolly and energetic guy.
Keeps joking around.
मजाक करते रहेंगे, स्टोरी सुनाते रहेंगे, you know. So once you hear cut, उसके बाद you don't have to worry about being
stressed out
or anything like that.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
okay. अभी recently मेरा कुबरा से interview है तो she said कि Mahira and I were constantly having fun on the set and Usman used to be like मैं कहाँ आ गया? Was it that crazy?
No, it was basically I didn't know anybody. मैं इनको जानता नहीं था पहले से.
Neither of them?
Neither of them.
Okay.
मैं नहीं किसी को भी नहीं जानता था सेट पे. तो this was probably the first time जहाँ पे मैं I was in a new city. And I didn't know a lot
the
of people.
team.
हाँ.
Anybody?
तो
Yeah.
मैं बहुत and when I don't know people, I'm very reserved and very
Oh,
तो
okay.
मैं जरा कोने में बैठा अपना काम कर रहा होता था ये.
अच्छा.
But yeah, हाँ.
अच्छा, you're initially reserved.
Yes, with friends I'm not, but
Obviously.
with new people I just मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है तो.
अच्छा, और लेकिन अब तो आपकी सबसे दोस्ती है. आई कीप सीइंग उस्मान ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और वो आप गेम्स खेल रहे होते हैं, बहुत कुछ सीक्वेंस में हार रहे होते हैं, नहीं जीत रहे होते हैं, सीक्वेंस में आप जीत रहे होते हैं. हाँ.
We do play sequence
Every weekend.
Every weekend whenever everybody's around in this city, we play sequence. It's a lot of fun.
Just sequence.
Sequence, हाँ, ज़्यादातर
Ludo.
sequence या Catan और
okay, yeah.
Otherwise, I mean, Monopoly Deal we tried playing once or twice on set. Then Kubra and Haroon we played together. They lost.
Oh.
Then they didn't want to play.
Oh, when they lose, they don't want to play.
Yeah.
You won.
Yeah.
Oh, you usually win.
No, not really. I mean, Kubra, uske baad I've lost from these guys as well. But I mean, it's fun. It's fun. It's a fun
I
experience.
often get curious. वो Insta story पे आता है तो मैं कभी-कभी मजाक भी करती हूँ with the actors that I say what happens on a celebrity game night. I mean, I've seen celebrity dinners and teas. This is a new thing that's
It's a very normal thing. It's like normal
friends
people
getting
sitting
together
and just playing games, joking around with each other.
हाँ.
Very, very normal.
What do you eat? Do you eat junk food like the rest of us do during game night? Or do actors have to take care?
I wish. नहीं, actually कराची में मैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अपने आप control करता हूँ because I'm shooting. But
हाँ, you're at work.
when I'm back, I mean Islamabad में we played sequence and I'm eating
junk food
normally, हाँ.
like all of us
Yeah,
do.
Yeah.
Okay. Acha, so right now you're watching your weight because
Yes,
you are on
yes,
set.
yes.
Do you have to struggle with weight like the rest of
I
us
do.
mere mortals? You do?
I do.
Big time?
Absolutely.
And do you love your food?
I love my food. मुझे खाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो मेरे लिए कंट्रोल करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है खाने को. But you have to.
हाँ, ये एक आपकी occupational requirement है.
बिल्कुल.
कि And do you think the camera adds a few kilos
It
here
does,
and
yes,
there?
it does.
Coming back to हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे and जो आपको comments आ रहे हैं और DMs आ रहे हैं कि तुम ये गलत कर रहे हो and this and that.
Yeah.
इससे आप इरिटेट होते हैं कि खुश होते हैं कि जॉब वेल डन? अगर लोग आपसे इस वक्त गुस्सा हो रहे हैं, दैट्स अ
so I
जॉब
mean
वेल
that
डन,
means that
राइट?
I've done the
कन्विंस
character
देम ना।
किसी
हाँ
हद तक ठीक कर लिया
हाँ
कुछ character, and it's good that people are invested. People should be invested, but they also need to understand that this is a drama.
हाँ,
You know,
रियल लाइफ और
so
कैमरे में
but
ड्रामे में
it's all
फर्क होना
it's
चाहिए।
great to see that people are invested. वो देख रहे हैं ड्रामे को and
हाँ
they're relating to Marine's character so much.
relating to Marine and hating Mashal and
हाँ,
getting frustrated with Aswad,
yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
Do you think that this is your most hyped up project to date? I mean, your other projects have also been quite successful,
Yes.
right? Samad most
I mean,
recently.
I can't say. It's definitely more hyped up than Sabat.
हाँ उससे ज्यादा, लेकिन सबात भी एक पॉइंट पे बहुत देखा जा
Yeah,
रहा था और
yeah, yeah, yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
कमेंट्स
हाँ,
आते थे।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
या
But I feel like the kind of attention and the kind of I got doing Anna,
अना
वो
भी बहुत
शायद
अच्छा था।
अभी नहीं है क्योंकि I think it's the initial episodes and stuff. But again, it's amazing and I can't thank everybody enough for the love और इतनी वो there's so much like there's so much support for this drama and everything, so it feels great.
अच्छा, आपको लगता है कि ये हाइप शायद इसलिए भी है क्योंकि माहिरा का बहुत सालों
Absolutely.
बाद कमबैक है?
Absolutely,
है ना?
absolutely,
क्योंकि
yeah.
क्यूरियोसिटी है
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
क्या
हाँ,
है ना
बिल्कुल,
वजह।
absolutely.
हालांकि इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुली डन ड्रामा,
Yeah,
ऐसी
and
कोई
Farooq
बात
bhai has
नहीं
done
है।
an amazing job.
हाँ
Umaira, again, the writer, Nina, producer,
हाँ,
they've
द
all,
होल टीम इज
yeah,
वेरी
yeah,
इन्वेस्टेड इन इट, ये बात
yeah,
सब मेहनत कर रहे हैं। बट वो क्योंकि उसका कमबैक है
yeah,
माहिरा
yeah.
खान का, तो
हाँ, बिल्कुल,
है ना,
बिल्कुल,
एक क्यूरियोसिटी है।
yeah, yeah.
तो उस्मान क्या देखते हैं? क्या स्क्रिप्ट पहले देखते हैं? क्या ये देखते हैं कि डायरेक्टर कौन है? क्या ये देखते हैं चैनल कौन सा है? क्या ये
मैं
देखते हैं को स्टार्स कौन से?
मैं 3 चीज़ देखता हूँ.
हाँ
मैं देखता हूँ स्क्रिप्ट कैसा है,
हाँ
डायरेक्टर कौन है और राइटर कौन है.
अच्छा, राइटर, ओके। और क्या आप चाहते हैं कि स्क्रिप्ट आपको टोटलिटी में मिले? कभी कभी आधी भी तो मिलती है हमारे ड्रामों में,
मेरा अक्सर तौर पे यही होता है कि अगर मुझे पूरा मिल जाए तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है.
लेकिन कभी कभी यू डोंट
बट
हैव अ
कभी
चॉइस।
कभार ये होता है कि कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स आप अगर 10 एपिसोड्स भी पढ़ लें और वो इतने इंटरेस्टिंग हो तो आप कहते हैं कि यार आई वांट टू डू इट.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स।
तो ये भी होता है. लेकिन
एनीवे, सो अच्छा हाँ, लेकिन कमिंग बैक टू दैट, ये भी होता है कि कभी कभी बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट बुरे डायरेक्टर के हाथ आ जाए तो वो मैसअप हो जाता है, और बहुत बुरी स्क्रिप्ट या एक ऑर्डिनरी स्क्रिप्ट या एक टिपिकल कहानी अच्छे डायरेक्टर के हाथ में आ जाए तो वो क्या से क्या हो जाती है। डू यू एग्री विद मी ऑन दैट?
आई डू एग्री विद यू. मुझे लगता है कि आप अगर एक स्क्रिप्ट 10 डिफरेंट डायरेक्टर्स को देंगे वही स्क्रिप्ट,
हाँ
वो 10 डिफरेंट वर्जन्स
हाँ,
बनाएंगे,
10 डिफरेंट कहानियाँ
वो
हो
10
जाएगी।
डिफरेंट स्टोरीज बनेंगी. एवरी डायरेक्टर ब्रिंग्स a very different flavor
पर्सपेक्टिव, हाँ
to
हाँ
the table.
बिल्कुल।
और राइटर का भी यही होता है. तो it could obviously go either way. अगर आपको एक बहुत अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट आप एक बहुत ही यू नो इतने अच्छे डायरेक्टर को नहीं देंगे तो वो शायद वो बात ना बने. और कभी कभार आप बहुत नॉर्मल सा स्क्रिप्ट एक अच्छे डायरेक्टर को दे तो बहुत अच्छी चीज बन सकती
बहुत अच्छी चीज
है.
बनती है।
सो it does really depend.
और फिर एक्टर्स पे भी डिपेंडेंट
Yeah.
है। फिर डू यू वर्क ऑन, आई थिंक आप एक वक्त में एक प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, है ना? यू आर वेरी पिकी
हाँ,
वैसे भी।
मेरे से प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरे से दो कैरेक्टर्स साइमल्टेनियसली हो नहीं सकते.
हाँ
Because if I'm in a headspace
हाँ
for Aswad,
हाँ
I won't be able to do Dr. Harris with him.
या
This time around, I am doing the projects at the same time.
सिंफे हाँ
Yeah,
एंड दिस।
yeah.
लेकिन ये तो अब फाइनल सीन्स रैप अप हो रहे हैं ना।
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब ज्यादातर चंक
Mostly,
हो
हाँ,
चुका था
बिल्कुल,
पहले
बिल्कुल,
से,
बिल्कुल.
एंड
अब
नाउ
तो
यू
हाँ,
रैपिंग अप द
patchwork
फाइनल
है,
सीन्स।
yeah.
या अच्छा, अब एक बात ये कि यू लिव इन इस्लामाबाद एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑल द एक्टर्स फ्रॉम इस्लामाबाद who now live in Karachi. They are the only one who does the traveling bit. Has that affected your career? Do you think it has a negative impact?
It has. I've lost a lot of projects as well, but I mean, for me, my mother comes first before any.
And she's unwell?
Yeah, she is. So I can't leave her in Islamabad and come. So very few times have I taken up projects where I have to be in Karachi or anywhere else for a longer period of time.
अच्छा 2 weeks के आप स्पेल्स कर लेंगे और फिर
वो
वापस
इसमें
चले
तो
जाएंगे.
महीने का भी किया हुआ स्पेल. So
अच्छा. Okay.
but at that time my cousins were there, my sister was there.
Who's there right now?
So right now my cousin's there,
Hmm.
my niece is there. So
Hmm.
that kind of gives me hope, but you know I always have to kind of check up कि she's doing okay or all
अच्छा
of
when
that.
you say कि you've lost work because of it है क्योंकि आप इस्लामाबाद में रहते हैं तो यहाँ पे is it because जो प्रोड्यूसर्स होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि इट्स टू एक्सपेंसिव कि फ्लाई
नहीं,
आउट
नहीं,
करें
नहीं.
होटलिंग करें या आप इतने लंबे स्पेल के लिए आ
मैं
नहीं
इतने लंबे
सकते.
स्पेल के लिए नहीं आ सकता. It's nothing to do with the producer. They you know they're very kind.
They're willing to
We,
pay
you know,
and put you
come
up.
here and all of that.
हाँ.
But I can't travel for that.
Hmm.
So that's why.
And you never considered moving with your mom to Karachi? She wouldn't.
No, it's just that you know my amma has she has dementia.
Which is very difficult.
So taking her out of her environment is not a very good idea. You know, so I don't want to bring her to Karachi because
I think
Islamabad
एक age
where
पे
she's
जाके people also want their comfort zone.
yeah,
You
and,
know.
and you know I don't feel like that'll be a good decision to make.
अच्छा फिर तो मेरे ख्याल से ये बड़ा पॉजिटिव आपके लिए एक it's something that fate just worked out for you.
I
Your channels are now
absolutely feel
shooting in
it's-
Islamabad.
Yes, that is. I mean, again, like Anna and Sabat both happened in
Islamabad.
Anna कुछ spell था चित्राल में.
हाँ.
But I mean, it's again,
It's luck. I mean, it's just
luck,
destiny,
it's,
huh?
Yeah, it's.
हाँ.
I mean, कि Islamabad में shoot हो रहे हैं and I got work over there to do. Yeah, I don't think if उस वक्त मुझे अगर कराची में project मिल रहा होता है Anna, if Anna was being shot in Karachi, I probably don't think I would have done it.
But Usman, then what's your long-term plan? Because a long-term plan में, do you think eventually, maybe when your mom is a little better, even though dementia मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah.
बेहतर नहीं होता,
जी.
वो एक state of mind होता है जो फिर रहता है
जी.
for life, right? I mean, 5 years बाद, do you think कि क्या करेंगे, कैसे होगा?
I mean, if it gets really difficult for me to travel, then probably I'll look for other career options. I will probably look for other career options. Maybe
But not disturb your mom.
No, I can't. But maybe try creating content myself.
जो आप कर रही हैं,
Yeah.
है ना?
So something like that.
हाँ.
Probably, you know, become a producer, become a director. I've always wanted to direct, so probably just do that.
I think that's great. और बड़ा inspirational बात भी है.
I don't think it's inspirational. I don't think it's anything out of the extraordinary. I think, you know, she is one person in my life that, you know, is just there.
The
and I
most important
absolutely-
person in your life, yeah.
Person, and I
Huh.
think it is my duty to be there for her, and she needs to be comfortable in the situation that she's in. And yeah, I mean, I don't think it's inspirational or anything out of this world. It's just how it is.
It's just how it is. It's just that parents take care of us when we are young, and
Yeah,
then we take care of them when
absolutely.
they
Yeah,
are old.
yeah,
You
yeah.
know,
And
just
that's
a
what you have to
circle of
do,
life. Yeah. It's ideally what everybody should
Yeah.
be doing. सही बात है. अच्छा, you're also getting married soon. Yeah.
Yes.
Are we going to see a big Insta wedding? Will we seeing?
I don't know if it's
Mayu,
big Insta
maybe.
wedding, but I feel like because of COVID, we don't even know, you know, with the variants coming out and the cases not going down. So, you know, our nikah happened in a very strict.
हाँ, everybody was
SOP,
wearing
हाँ,
masks.
and we were
लोग
very,
बड़े
very-
खुश थे आपसे.
We were
Social
very,
media बहुत
we
खुश
were
थे.
like, you know, you can't, like, just because we're getting married, you can't, like, put people's lives in
At risk,
तो
yeah.
बहुत और जो बहुत कम लोग थे जिन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन लगाई हुई थी वो मास्क उतार लेते थे वो अदरवाइज वी वर वेरी सो वी वांटेड टू हैव यू नो द वेडिंग वी वांटेड कि थोड़ा सा बेहतर you know
आजकल
environment में.
शायद थोड़ा बेहतर वैसे अब
I
तो
hope so,
I
but
don't know.
I mean, we just want a family to be there. Most of my cousins, most of my, you know, family couldn't come.
To the
बाहर से,
nikah.
yeah.
Okay.
So we're hoping that
When is it, or is that a secret?
that's
right
a
now?
secret. We
Must be
generally
in the
like to
winter.
keep, well, let's see.
Islamabad in
Could
the
be,
winter
could
is
be
beautiful.
summers, could be winters.
Is it up in the mountains?
Mm.
No.
No, because
Your
a
mom
lot
can't
of
manage that.
my mother, my popo, you know, nani, all of these, like they can't travel itni dur tak just for a wedding, you know. So it's just hard.
Okay, all right. But of course, nikah ho gaya, and we've seen it. How has, acha, unrelated to your professional career, how has marriage changed you? Has it changed you at all?
I don't think it's changed me. I don't think it's changed either of us. It's just, I mean, it's good that you find somebody who you want to spend the rest of your life with. You're happy, you make each other happy, you know, you it's difficult for you to kind of be in different cities, you know, right now as well, like with, you know, it's just, you know, she's there, I'm here, and she can't travel to Karachi because of her work. I have to be here. So, you know, it's the little things, and you know, you get a partner in, you know, crime and partner in life. You know, you can rely on, you can depend on, and you know, you can share things with.
Achha, I noticed that Zunaira loves putting up jokes related to Aswad.
Yeah.
She loves she's enjoying the drama and all the memes and the comments that are coming with it. Does she like the drama?
Well, I mean, she hasn't seen all of my drama. She hasn't seen Anna.
She hasn't seen Anna.
She hasn't.
I think
seen
that's
Anna.
your most popular drama prior to this one.
She didn't. Sabad. I mean, now she says she never liked Dr. Haris. But yeah, hum kahan ke sache the, she's watching.
I think after Aswad, nobody likes Dr. Haris because you see, because we saw Sabat aaya tha bilkul COVID days mein. Everybody watched it, right? And everybody was like, what's wrong with this doctor?
He's too nice.
He's too nice.
Ek to ye tha ki he's too nice. Dusra patient therapist thing that was later on addressed. But yeah, I mean, Dr. Haris was.
Aswad, is a TV career lucrative, especially जिस तरह आप अपना build कर रहे हैं? You're very careful about the roles that you take up. You have become even more finicky now. हालांकि you know बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं, visibility बड़ी जरूरी है, बस हम आते रहें टीवी पे चाहे जैसा भी.
I don't agree with that. I don't think visibility, quality over quantity, I feel.
That's what you think. But you see, visibility इसलिए भी होती है because it keeps the money coming in. जाहिर है, आप काम करते रहेंगे तो पैसे आते रहेंगे. तो the way you are managing your career, picky about roles, careful, choosing stories that attract you, you know, rather than what the formula is.
Yeah.
Is it lucrative then? Is it okay financially?
See, मेरी जो सोच है वो थोड़ी different है, थोड़ी practical नहीं है. मैं कहता हूँ यार, इतना ही पैसा होना चाहिए इंसान के पास जितना वो यूज कर सके. इतना पैसा लेके जाना कहाँ है आपने? तो मुझे जो है ना वो होता है कि हाँ, if I'm doing good, which I need to change now because I'm married, but I feel like when I was not married and I was single or whatever, अपना आपको करना होता है तो you know, you're like, okay, I'll manage it this much, you know. But because you know, so I do feel like you know, acting wise, I think I will be choosy.
Then what will you do?
I will, you know, this I direct. You know, this.
तो आप और तरफ उसको और alternate paths pursue करेंगे. लेकिन acting में hopefully you will not compromise on quality
try not to, but I'm
over
really
quantity.
bad at judging scripts. I'm really bad. Abhi tak God has been really kind.
You're bad at judging scripts.
I am. Actually, I tell you, Zunaira is better judge than I am. So any script that I get offered, I also ask Zunaira.
So it's good you have her there. Now you have somebody.
She is much better at this than I am. So yes.
तो Zunaira आपकी scripts check करके choose कर लिया करेगी.
No, she reads them and then she tells me कि okay, this one's better, this one's not. You know, तो वो, you know. That
helps. Yeah. Talking about earlier कि once the camera cuts off, everything is chilled out on the set of हम कहाँ के सच थे. मुझे बहुत sad scenes हैं जिसमें महरीन रो रही है, जिसमें सब उस पर चीख रहे हैं, लड़ाई हो रही है, आप महरीन को glare कर रहे हैं. Cut and it's all fun and games.
And then Maria's like, where's my food?
And then the sequence boards come out and whatnot.
Maya loves eating. She's always as soon as she reaches the set, her plan is what's for food or what should I have for food.
And you are.
I love having food, but I can't.
But you cannot. These days, you're not.
Yeah.
Okay. Any anecdotes that we can put in from the drama? Without a spoiler, मुझे पता है आपने.
I can't tell you anything like that, but I can tell you that I stole Myra's AirPods.
You did?
Yes.
Why?
It was, oh my god. So basically, I had the same AirPods as hers.
अच्छा.
They were both the same. And Mahira generally loves coming on set, and she just, her things everywhere and she forgets most of them. तो मेरे AirPods मैं निकाल के whenever there was no, you know, ये मुझे कहते थे चुपचाप बैठा था, but I would be listening to music or something, you know. तो मैं अपने AirPods मैं बाथरूम से निकला, हमारा शूट रैप अप हो रहा था, got out and there were AirPods lying on the table, तो मैंने वो उठा के मैंने रख लिए अपने उसमें. अगले दिन I, you know, get a call from Babar, Nina, okay, यार, you know, Mahira's AirPods are missing. You have similar ones, so we just wanted to ask you. I said, no, I don't have Mahira's AirPods. Oh. Because every time I'd open my AirPods, मेरा नाम आता था ना. हाँ. So I'm like, नहीं, I don't. They're like, oh man, where did the AirPods go? हर बंदे से पूछ रहे हैं, Babar, every production guy, every actor, Mahira's AirPods. I'm like, man, I don't know. I don't have Mahira's AirPods. 2-3
But you
days,
did.
2-3
But
days
you did.
passed, and I'm like, Mahira के AirPods मिले? Like नहीं. I said, यार, I feel so bad. I mean, you know, I don't know where they went. I think one day we were shooting my solos. गाड़ी के सीन्स थे सारे, तो वो मैं गाड़ी के सीन में जब गाड़ी चला रहे थे, शूट नहीं हो रहा था, तो मैं एयरपॉड्स डाल लेता था, मैं गाने सुन रहा था. तो मेरे एयरपॉड्स की बैटरी कम हुई, सीन के दरमियान में ब्रेक था, मैंने कहा मैं निकाल के इनको चार्जिंग पे लगाता हूँ, जब तक दोबारा सीन होगा तो आई पुट देम ऑन. तो मैंने अपने मेरा बैग उस वक्त बड़ा वाला होता था, वो हाइकिंग वाला बैग, तो उसके अंदर मैंने हाथ डाला तो मुझे डब्बी आई. अब मेरे कानों में एयरपॉड्स थे मेरे वाले, मैंने डब्बी निकालनी थी, तो मैंने कहा डब्बी मैं अपनी निकाल रहा हूँ, take out the dabbi to put my AirPods back in. I open it, there are already AirPods in it.
Ooh.
I'm like, oh my god. Then I called the makeup artist. I said, please come here. I think I have Myra's AirPods. Then I called Myra. I said, I'm so sorry. I actually had no idea that these were yours. I thought these were mine.
Yeah.
And since then, we have a joke on set that me and Babar, that जो अच्छी चीज नजर आए, speaker की तार, HDMI cable, सब बैग में डाल दो. So we have this joke. I mean, yeah, it was unintentional, but yeah, I mean, I had Myra's AirPods.
Babar did your styling also for the drama?
Yeah, sometimes Babar did it, sometimes Noman.
But I think there's very minimal
yes, I mean,
work done on your face.
I mean, yeah, but I mean, I have a lot of white hair.
Really?
In my beard, वो जो है क्या कहते हैं, कभी कभार we have to cover them up, otherwise yeah. I mean,
that's it.
अब तो बूढ़े हो गए हैं.
No, long way to go.
Yeah, but
long way to go. Yeah, and I'm so glad that we're talking. Yeah. And we got to dissect Aswad and among other things. Thank you for your time.
No,